Hi, Denise Lonis here, and I am so excited about my upcoming class, Speak Up and Make More Money, that I am co-teaching for the first time a conflict class with Jay Agoado, amazing agent, amazing person. In this class, we are going to teach you how to have more confidence, be able to have tough discussions, also protect your time, protect your money, protect your business, really learn how to have those difficult conversations that most agents avoid. You're going to walk away from this class understanding how you operate in conflict, understanding what others need from you in conflict, ultimately, which means you're going to be able to resolve conflict way easier, and it's going to take away a lot of stress. So I'm thrilled about this class. Come join me. It is going to be a sellout class because it is limited, so please sign up today. Thanks, guys. See you there.